the vaccination, and we came to give baby vaccine. Don't cry, okay? Hopefully he will not cry, because if he cry, I'll beat him. We are waiting for the doctor, and the doctor said that I should wait for some minutes before it will be my turn. So see you guys when we are through, okay? Good morning. So today I just woke up. I just finished ordering my new camera's battery, extra batteries, okay? So yesterday I ordered my new camera, which will be arriving next week, and that yesterday was 29 October. So this morning being 30, I ordered an extra battery, okay, from Amazon. So I like white cameras, but I wanted the black one. The black one is more cheaper than the white. Basically, as soon as I just saw, the white one, and I was like, wow, this is so cute. So I ordered it, and they will be it will arrive on the 2nd of November, okay? So the battery, I don't know, maybe next week. It will arrive next week. So I just ordered it this morning, and I'm so happy. Like I told you guys in my last vlog, that this year I just feel like to upgrade it, okay? So for the past 3 years of my channel, I've been using Sony A5000, and today my channel completed 3 years. That was the day I sold my Sony A5000, and I want to upgrade. Like, it's time to upgrade. Like, the quality, I no longer like it, and because of the lens was the lens of the Sony A5000 was f-stop 3.5, so it doesn't bring enough light when recording, okay? So I put a lot of work to make it a great quality when I post it. So I just feel like to change. So I basically want to upgrade, and the reason why I should have gone for another Sony camera, but I don't like Sony camera because I want to go for Canon, and a lot of people have been using Canon, and a lot of YouTubers are using Canon. So I just want to upgrade to DSLR camera, and yeah, so I got the white color, and it's so cute. I can't wait for it to arrive. I'm super excited. Finally, my camera has arrived. It is, guys. So this is it. Yay! I am super excited. So guys, today is 4th of November and it just arrived now. I'm so happy. Like, it has been long. I have been expecting this camera. I'm really gonna unbox it with you guys. I'm so excited. So let's see my camera. They just wrapped this camera like, even if na electric viewfinder or what, look at the way they wrap the whole thing. You see it, guys? They just overwrap it. Look at this right inside of the carton. And yeah, I'm so happy. I am so happy. I am super excited. I'm gonna open it, getting it. Yeah. So this right here, when you open it, this is the charger, and this is the receipt of the payment that I paid. And yeah, and this is all this paper inside. And yeah, I can't wait to see this little man inside. Charger. Here is the charger here. This is the charger. And over here I have, wow, guys, this is so cute. Here is the lens. Oh my god, I didn't make bad mistake. I didn't make bad choice. This is the kit lens, guys. So I'm gonna put it inside. I'm not going to use it. I'll only use it if I really want to, you know, take a photo and all of that. Oh my god, like, guys, look at this. This is so cute. Just look at that. Oh my god, I'm so happy to lay my hands on this DSLR. Yeah, DSLR camera. Oh my god, like, guys, look at this. The white is so cute. Can I say this is silver? Is silver, not white, I guess. So this is how it is. I already have I got this thing, what do they call it again? The screen protector. So I'm going to attach the screen protector before I can be able to do the rest of the thing, so that I don't use my hand to dirty the screen. Yeah, guys, so this is my little man, my little boy. So I'm going to keep it here. And the inside, let me see what is inside again. As you guys can see inside, this is how the inside looks like. You see the camera and all of that. I'm coming to get the things that I got so that I will use it to fix everything. Guys, I actually got this screen protector right here. I got it, and this is 2-in-1. And yeah, I quickly put the battery inside. So I'm gonna put the screen. I'm so happy for this color that I choose. Oh my god, this is so clean. So I just want to put the screen, then I will show you guys. So I'm basically gonna put one of my card. I have two. So this right here, this is 32 giga and this is 16 giga. I've set the time and all of that, like on a woman in the building. How did I even close this thing? Because no, baby, wait. Mama got a new husband, you know that. So I've put the battery as well. So I think you guys know that the battery is always inside this place. I've put everything that I really want to put. I did them off camera. So before I actually purchased this camera, right, I've already, bought this Canon 50mm f1.8 because you guys know I like blurry background. If something that I'm doing is not blurry, then it's not for me. This is so light. See, I really want to attach. This is the lens I'm gonna be using. So, but with the kit lens, I don't think it's for me. Maybe if I want to go outside and film, or maybe I want to go outside to take pictures, that's when I will be going with my kit lens. But if not, I don't think I need it. So I'm looking for how to attach this, I guess. Yeah, but I don't know. Maybe. Yes, I got it attached. Ew. This is so beautiful, guys. I'm gonna on it. I've switched it, I've powered it on. So here we are. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so good. Like, what? And it actually recognized this lens. So, oh my god, I can't believe that I now have the DSLR camera. Yeah, this DSLR camera. And I have DSLR. But I don't think I'll be, going with any settings for now. I think I will be, going with auto. I'll be leaving it in auto, not manual. But you guys know I don't know anything about this. I'm just still a learner. So guys, yeah, that is my camera. I'm so happy that I got it. So beautiful.